All right, guys, to watch this video for Tuesday, April 2nd. Great teamwork, as always, in the chat room today. Um, Showing you the SPY here. It's kind of like a little mini breakout. Again, I don't give a lot of weight to the SPY. You guys know that, but it did gap up and hold up pretty well, which just means I'm going to go ahead and trade normal tomorrow, right? Just we're not, as long as we're not plummeting, we just build a watch list and trade as we get intraday A plus setup. So it's T Rove. I was kind of hoping for a stronger close. If we'd have had more of a solid green candle, it would have been much more interesting going into tomorrow. Did get a big pop and then a halt and then I think another halt and then those halts are stupid, as you guys know. I was whining in chat about that because just makes trading these things almost impossible. But anyway, strong volume and closed probably in about the middle of its range. So it isn't going to cost me anything to have it on a chart, so I will. PULM. Again, kind of well off of its highs, but still big volume and a strong day. A great call. For those of you that weren't there today, a great call in chat by Wayne. Let me pan out a little bit. When it looked like this, you had the initial early run. It topped out at 190, pulled back, and next thing you know, it's right back up at 190. Let's see. I put out a screenshot earlier. Let me try to find it. There it is. This is a pretty good summary. This is the daily chart superimposed before the big pop today. So today, look at that relative volume. Look to the left. There's like nothing there. So we know we've got a high flyer. We know we've got a stock that's in play. It tops out at exactly 90, pulls back right back up to 90. Big seller on the tape there. And lo and behold, you've got a couple other a couple other catalysts on the daily chart above. I think this was 195, and then this high was like 230 something. So keep in mind, that's with that 190 flag. So you break through 190 flag, which is right here intraday, and then you just go boom, boom, knock down a couple catalysts and a seller on the tape. I mean, it meant so many things that we teach in our course. Just a beautiful, and a low floater, in play, all of it, right? Anyway, so it never looked back at 190. So this thing went from the 190, risking about a dime, and it went to over $3 at one point. Just another great call. Wayne's been on fire lately. Keep him on your hot script if he's not. So that was a very clean setup. And when we look at the daily, we're going to watch it again tomorrow because it's going to have a lot of people watching it tomorrow. Who knows if it gives a setup or not, right? Gave a great one today. AVGR gapped up out of this kind of tight little wedge pattern on the daily and didn't go very far. Topped out at 105, but I love it over 105 because then you've got this 110 recent high as another potential catalyst. A fairly strong chart. VKTX, no trades in it today, but it goes on watch for tomorrow. Very big breakout on Friday, and then today kind of a quiet red day hanging out around Friday's high. So that makes that one interesting. NLNK. Nice volume for this stock. Again, I wish this one would have closed higher, but closing, I don't know, in the middle of its range. You certainly like it over today's high, over 218, because you look to the left and you say, hey, there's another potential catalyst right there at 227, and then maybe we make a move toward the 200 days. So that one's kind of a nice setup. I actually have Lyft on watch. It's been trading for 2 days, and it opened up here, nasty red day, gap down, another nasty red day. It's just a recent IPO. There's no chart to go on other than its lift and all the hype and everything. If we can get a narrow range and then break to the upside, I think you could get maybe a nice little pop. I would like to see 2 more red days just like this, and then I'd be really, really interested in it. But I'll start watching it tomorrow. SEEL just goes back on bounce watch. You kind of have pretty close to a gap fill, another red day, but kind of a narrow range. And this one can move at times. No trades in it today. Goes back on watch for tomorrow. JMU, kind of an interesting chart, especially if there's good China news. JMU had this pop the other day on the China stocks, and then another pop today, topping out right around $2. And the high from, I guess this would have been Thursday, was 217. You also have a little spike back here to 220. So you definitely have a stacked catalyst scenario if this one, opens somewhere around today's close, and maybe we can push through 2 and start knocking down those catalysts. That would preferably be with some China news. And then lastly, I've got NM, which popped back here to 322. Lower high 4 sessions ago to 283. Couple day pullback and is curling back up again. I like it over today's high of 266. That might easily, I won't say easily, but that might then get this 283 knocked down. Maybe we head through the whole number 3 and another. So you have another possible stacked catalyst scenario. This is actually a pretty handsome chart. All right, so that's it. I'm going to watch all of these, and we'll add some gappers in the pre-market as well. If you weren't in chat today and you didn't see, we've got a happy hour So if you want to have some cocktails and talk stocks and really anything, we just have fun on the happy hours. It's our version. Wayne and I came up with this as our version of a bunch of traders going out to the bar after work and just trading stories or whatever. So we're looking forward to that. That's Thursday. Hopefully you'll be able to find a link. If not, shoot me an email. You can register for it. Got to register to be there. We're not selling anything. Matter of fact, we're probably going to give away a free month in the chat room to non-members, and to members, we're just going to give away nothing. But it'll be fun. All right, I'm done babbling. We'll see y'all in chat tomorrow.